What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now, and we are getting ready for our 6-box Chase the Grade mixer. It is break number 725. Teams are coming at you right now. We're live. Good luck. We're live for a break in 30 minutes, half hour. 10 o'clock, live at 10:30. As I said, Keith is in spot 1. Brandon is in spot 30. And we got Anaheim to Winnipeg. Best of luck. We'll start with teams 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, last and final on the teams. Last and final says 10 o'clock, and 10 o'clock it is. So let's copy these over. Calgary, top of the list, and the Rangers at the halfway mark. Pittsburgh to Philly. There's your teams. Let's match up some names to go with it. It is 10:01 this time. Keith to Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:01. 10:01. Last and final. We do have another case break plan for tonight. We're not sure if it's going to fill, but if it does, we'll break it. If not, we will work on it tomorrow. Not a big deal. 10:01. 10:01. Let's copy him over. Tim to Pat. Tim to Pat. Brandon to Kenny. Here's your teams, folks. We'll post them. We'll see you in less than a half hour. Please tag me if any trades, and good luck with the break.